Whether you're looking for a beautiful sugar bowl, a unique serving dish for candies, or maybe even a vessel to display potpourri or some bath salts on the vanity, this beautiful vintage sugar scuttle is definitely an eye catcher. Welcome to the channel. This is Crafty Hobbit Rehab and Design. I'm Jeanette. I'm a home decor artist and a vintage rehab designer. This video is featuring a new vintage item in my shop that has been redesigned, and it is a vintage silver sugar scuttle. This piece has been hand painted with the classic black and white check at the bottom. It is going to blend with courtly check decor, French country. It will go also with some farmhouse, although it is on the fancy side. It's sealed with polyacrylic, food safe, so you can use it for food items, dried items I would recommend, such as sugar or powdered creamers, or you can do buttermints, candies as well. Or if you just want to display it on a shelf or in a curio cabinet, this piece has so much personality. It's absolutely beautiful. The vintage gold trim has really brought out the nailhead style relief around the piece, and you're going to find that on the reverse side, the original floral pattern, I've brought that forward again so that we can enjoy the beauty of the original pattern, which was quite worn at one time. This piece does come with a vintage silver spoon that has been painted to match it and is also sealed with the polyacrylic seal. So if you're looking to grab a unique vintage piece that is definitely going to be an eye catcher in your decor, this may be the one you want to get. The link is in the video description below. And if you want to see more new items as they're available, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell. That's all I have on this one. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next one.